Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all charging methods for your headphones Soundcore P3. And the first one is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. So just connect USB-C cable to USB-C port on your headphones and adapter to the power. And we can see LED light here, so it means that it's charging. Next one, you can use your phone. All you need to have is just USB-C to USB-C cable. It look like this, but if your phone don't support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. So just connect USB-C cable to your phone and the second one to USB-C port on your charging case. And we can also see a LED light here, so it means that it's charging. And the last one is to use wireless charging. So all you need to have is just or your phone who support reverse wireless charging or charging station. So just put it here. And we can see LED light here, so it means that it's charging. And the same with a phone. You can just put it here and it's charging. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.